Now we will see how to do backfill in EzAlgo. So any symbol that is added in selected symbols box, EzAlgo will automatically update the historical data in AmiBroker. So you will be able to see the charts immediately. But if you need backfill data or historical data for more days, you can do so by selecting EzAlgo. In this drop-down box, select backfill period. So you can choose any number of days for which you want to do the backfill, and you can click the backfill all button. So when you click backfill all button, backfill will be done for all the symbols. But if you want to do backfill for specific symbols, you can do so by selecting those symbols. Now I have selected only 3 symbols. If I click this box, let me select for 180 days. And when you click backfill tick, now the backfill will be done only for the 3 symbols that we have selected. Let's go and check it in AmiBroker Nifty. So now the backfill is being updated in AmiBroker. Currently, as we can see, there are backfill available only for the past 30 days. Now, once the backfill is done, now we have the backfill for 180 days. Yes, 180 days. Now the backfill is available from February till August. That is 6 months since we have selected 180 days. So we have selected Nifty, Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty data is available for 180 days and Sensex. So now Sensex data is also available for 180 days. So for easy visibility, I have changed the chart time frame to daily. The backfill is available in 1 minute format, so you can switch to any interval that you want. But when you click backfill all button, backfill will be done for all the symbols that is added in the watch list. Let me click for all symbols. Now the backfill is being done for all the symbols that are added in the watch list. Let's choose some other stock and daily view. So the chart is getting updated as the backfill data is being updated in AmiBroker. Now the backfill for all the symbols for 180 days is completed. We can check Tata Motors done, TVS Motors done, Grasim, Granules. So all the symbols are done. Beta India, Bajaj Auto. Yes, now. So that's the difference. If you want to do backfill for specific symbols, you have to select those symbols and click backfill tick. This will be useful when you're adding new symbols to the list. Say you have done the backfill for 6 months for most of the symbols and you are adding a new symbol to start trading on it. So that's when this backfill tick will be very useful, because giving backfill for all the symbols will take time. Doing backfill only for certain number of symbols will reduce the time drastically. And one more feature that we have got in this software is you can save your watch list with specific names. Say, for example, let's remove a few stocks. I'm going to remove all the stocks. Let me select. To remove stocks, we have to tick them and click this button. Click to remove the checked symbols from the list. Once you click, it will ask for confirmation. This will clear 4 symbols from the list. Yes. Because now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep only the symbols that are related to indexes. To check multiple symbols, now I select the first symbol and hold the shift button and click on the last symbol. And once multiple symbols are selected, all I have to do is press the space bar on my keyboard. Then all the selected symbols will be ticked. To remove the ticked symbol, I have to click this button. Click yes. Just a note, removing symbols from the watch list will not remove it from AmiBroker. Even though I have removed these symbols from EzAlgo watch list, these symbols will be retained in AmiBroker until we delete this symbol specifically from AmiBroker watch list. So to delete a symbol from AmiBroker, you can right click on the symbol and select delete. Click S on the confirmation window. That's it. So this is how you delete it from AmiBroker. And to remove it from your existing watch list, you can just select the symbols and click this button. Now, as you can see, this watch list has only Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex Index, and some options for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I want to save this list for later use. To achieve this, what I can do is I can click on this box, give it a name, go to Options menu, and click Save Watch List. To save a watch list with your preferred name, you can give a name that is easy to remember. Index Options List. So I want to save these symbols in a separate watch list and click OK. Now let me remove all the symbols. So there is another way to select multiple symbols. You can just click on a symbol and drag your mouse. So this will select all the symbols. Now press spacebar. Now all the symbols are selected. I'm going to remove this select checked symbols. Click S. So all the symbols that I have selected or removed except these three indexes. So by default, these are permanent symbols which cannot be removed from the watch list. Now I'm going to add stocks that are traded in NSE futures. So to do so, let me select NSE and then select FUTSTK segment, future stock segment. I'm going to expand it and I want to add only the symbols first month contract. So to do so, click on the first month contract. Now in the bottom section, you will see all the symbols that are traded in NSE future stocks. So I just click and drag all the symbols and press spacebar. Now I have added all the first month contract stock futures in my watch list. Now I want to save this as a separate watch list. Save watch list NSE futures first contract. Click OK. So now we have got two watch lists, one with NSE futures first contract and another one NSE index options list. So if I want to load my NSE index options list, all I have to do is click the drop down, select the watch list that I want to load, go to options and click load watch list. Now all my watch list symbols are clear. The symbols that are saved in the NSE options list is loaded. This will help you to organize your stocks in your customized group. Say after some time, say I want to load NSE futures first month contract. All I have to do is select the watch list, go to options, load watch list. Now all index options symbols are cleared and NSE future stocks are added. So this is the easiest way to handle multiple group of watch lists. I have seen clients who used to save NSEC symbols in a different watch list and NSE futures in a different watch list and NSE index options in a different watch list. And there are some people who used to save NSE weekly options in a different watch list. So watch list will be the efficient way to handle multiple stocks. In order to delete a watch list, it is also very easy. all you have to do is select a watch list here and just click delete watch list. So let's do, we have one more feature. Let me show you. Before that, let me remove all the symbols. So there is one more option, remove all the symbols. You see this eraser icon button. Just click on that. If you want to clear everything from your watch list, just click. It will remove everything from your existing watch list. So now all the symbols in the watch list are clear. So if you want to add NSE equity stocks that are also traded in NSE futures, all you have to do is go to options and click add F&O equity symbols. Once you do, all the symbols that are traded in NSE futures will be added instantly. You can add more by selecting stock. If you want to add more stocks, click on the stock segment and you can add whatever stocks that you want to add that are not traded in NSE futures. And selecting stocks randomly just to show you how to add stocks. That's it. So now we have seen how to add symbols to your watch list, how to create multiple watch lists. You can create watch list sector wise, market capital wise, in every way that you can imagine. And there is one more very important feature that is available, which will be useful for many traders. Say, I'm not trading in these stocks for a long time, but as I told you earlier, stocks that are removed from EzAlgo watch list will be removed only from EzAlgo. The data for those stocks will be available in AmiBroker until you remove it from AmiBroker watch list. So as you can see, I have removed multiple symbols from EzAlgo watch list, and I want to remove all the symbols that are not on my EzAlgo watch list. So this will be very useful when you are a options trader and you used to add a lot of option stocks in EzAlgo every week and every month. And after a few months, there will be a residue of lot of option symbols that you do not need at all. Say they are expired and you don't need them. Having more symbols in AmiBroker will definitely have some impact on the performance of the software and your PC. So it is very useful to keep your AmiBroker database clean. So to do so, we have an option, go to options, click clean AmiBroker symbols. When you do that, it will display there are 277 unused symbols, which means you have only 10 symbols in the watch list and there are 287 symbols in AmiBroker, out of which 277 symbols are not available in EzAlgo watch list. So click as EzAlgo have removed all the unused symbols. Say you have around 300 option symbols in AmiBroker, but for trading you are using only 10 or 20 option symbols. To remove unused option symbols, you can go to options and click clean AmiBroker symbol. This will remove symbols from AmiBroker that are not available in your current watch list. That's it, simple.